5 seconds. Ready, start. The appellant defendant within bracket appellant herein is in a regular second appeal against the judgment and decree dated 1 November 2014 passed by learned additional district judge Nuh, whereby an appeal filed against judgment and decree dated 28 February 2014 passed by learned civil judge within bracket civil division Mewat dismissing the suit for specific performance filed at the instance of respondent plaintiff has been allowed. Stop. Facts leading to the present appeal are that the respondent plaintiff within bracket respondent herein filed a suit for possession by way of specific performance with the averments that an agreement to sell dated 30 October 2009 was executed between the parties regarding the suit land measuring 5 canals. Stop. It has been stated in the plaint that the total sale consideration was rupees 8,50,000 was paid as earnest money has remaining sale consideration of this document rupees 16,50,000 was agreed to be paid at the time of registration of sale deed 15 September 2010. Stop. It has been further stated that on 14 September 2010, one day prior to the target date, the respondent plaintiff approached appellant defendant for execution of sale deed on 15 September 2010. However, the appellant defendant showed his bona fide inability to appear before the registrar on 15 September 2010 and requested for fixing of some other date in this regard. Stop. It has been further submitted that a legal notice dated 25 March 2011 was served upon the respondent plaintiff calling upon him to pay the balance sale consideration and get the sale deed executed. However, the needful was not done by the appellant defendant. Accordingly, a suit for specific performance was filed on 14 June 2012. Stop. The appellant defendant appeared and filed his written statement controverting the pleadings set up by the respondent plaintiff. Stop. In the written statement, it was submitted that in fact no agreement to sell as alleged was ever executed between the parties and the same was just a loan transaction, and for the said purpose his thumb impression on certain blank papers and blank checks were obtained by the respondent plaintiff. Stop. Learned trial court void its judgment and decree dated 28 February 2014, though recorded a finding in favor of the respondent plaintiff as regards the execution of agreement to sell. However, none suited him on account of having failed to prove his readiness and willingness. Stop. Aggrieved against the judgment and decree dated 28 February 2014, the respondent plaintiff filed first appeal and the same has been allowed by the Court of Learned Additional District Judge Nuh void its judgment and decree dated 1 November 2014, granting him relief by way of decree for specific performance. Stop. Over.